Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use emergency key of Honda Civic car. If the car generation 10 is you have emergency car in this one. The new generation is for Honda Accord, it will be that one, it doesn't have this one. Okay, flip to the back, see this one, put into the side and put out. Okay, when this one out, you can see this key. All the key fob is will have that. Then you push it there. Okay, this one lock. Okay, go to the that one, go to the right side, it means lock. If you go to the left, it means open. It's all open, all of it. When you open all of it, and when it doesn't work, when the battery is gone, try to push your key close to the engine and press it, and it will start on. This will be easy use, and then just go bring to the garage or go to the store to check your your car battery, and make sure you always change the battery for the remote 1 or 2 years for one time to change the battery. It's very cheap price to change the battery, or you can change by it yourself too. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.